Ladies and gentlemen, now taking the field from Temecula, the Golden Valley Regiment from Temecula Valley High School. Presenting their 2021 program, the Sublime California State Band Championships is proud to present the Golden Valley Regiment.
What we want most in life is to be happy. We all strive for it. It is the only thing we want for its own sake. Happiness is not a simple concept. It was Aristotle who distinguished 4 levels, the first being a shallow, temporary happiness that comes from material things.
Joy.
Unfortunately, this high is short-lived.
Feeling empty, with little meaning. This can't be the only source of happiness.
The next level is one that comes from comparison and accomplishments.
You can do it. Keep pushing. You have to be better than them. To get my degree, work hard and achieve my goals. That'll make me happy.
Happiness based on self gives way to a more lasting joy. That
intersection.
My friend has been so down lately. I'm gonna take her out so we can connect. I know. Let's bring some chicken soup to our friend who's sick. Happiness doesn't result from what we get, but from what we give.
Thus, using all of our resources and experiences with our worldview, the Sublime equips us to work for the good of ourselves and our community, living with purpose and passion.
Ladies and gentlemen, Temecula Valley High School Golden Regiment.